50% of Indians save 0 to 20% of their earnings/salary.
The need for financial literacy. Only 27% of India's population is financially literate.
Hi everyone, welcome to Eagle Finance. Are you aware that if you don't know how to make a solid financial plan for yourself, you are at a disadvantage compared to 30% of the Indians? Many actors and cricket players have evolved a distinct mindset towards businesses in addition to being professionals in their own fields. Shah Rukh Khan, for instance, has business dealings with Big Basket, Baizu, etc. His ventures include real estate, KKR, and many others. A basic financial plan has the power to significantly alter your life's trajectory before your 30s. I will discuss 4 different levels of financial situations that I can think of. Identify yourself in which level you are and try to level up. Ignoring the theoretical aspects, having a solid financial strategy can make all the difference. Let us talk about a story of hypothetical man whose name is Rakesh. His first 10 years were full of wonder and joy as a young child. The second decade is the most energetic in getting to know the world, but it also comes with lot of parental restrictions. In his 20s, he is realizing his human responsibilities and educating himself. Despite his desire to play sports, he was hired as a software engineer for package worth rupees 15 lakhs. He spent his money on clearing of loans, new bike, travel and social outings. It is much more difficult to take any chance after the age of 30 because his loved ones will be depending on him. He wants to be financially independent by the time he is 30, but his risk tolerance will not allow him to accomplish this. By the word risk appetite, I mean how small calculated risk many people avoid and settle in comfortable situations. Married to a girl at 27, his income is sufficient to support his lifestyle. First kid at 28, bought a new home by taking a loan at 32. His 30s will pressurize him to provide a better life to his family, like providing education to his children, maintaining a financial buffer for him and his family. Got a promotion at 33, another promotion at 35, saved some money and invested in gold. He worked until 55 to clear off his loans and left with some money for the rest of his life. Very easy, simple, and conservative life story, but common for more than 50% of Indians. Let us consider the above lifestyle as level 1. If Rakesh wants to move to level 2, he should invest some of his savings in mutual funds and stock markets. By investing in assets, money is not just compounded, it is well protected from inflation. If at all Rakesh reaches level 2, he will buy his second house and car. A level 3 individual invests in real estate with the support of money generated for passing through level. These investments are made through deliberately picking up knowledge from nearby individuals and books. This man can support himself financially. Level 4 man can support himself financially with his side business. Eventually, he will take time off from the work and pursue his side project to launch a business that will generate revenue without him having to work. Financial decisions that you make in each level will decide how fast you will reach the next level. Personal finance is 80% behavior with 20% knowledge. We should start talking about finances because 72% of the people in India are unaware of how much money to put aside or invest to become financially independent. I believe poor financial education is the main contributor to lower GDP of India. Level 1 person may have money in fixed deposit in a bank, while a level 2 person might generate business with the same money which adds to the GDP. The Indian education system should include finance as a compulsory subject to address this issue. If you are interested, consider reading the following books like Rich Dad Poor Dad. It taught me basic finance and differences between assets and liabilities. The Millionaire Fastlane. This book teaches you how you can become financially independent before 30. And Coffee Can Investing. This teaches you how to understand businesses and investing in stock market.